You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this famous American actor, brilliant actor. So, Stanley, you probably knew that. His surname is of Italian origin, which is why C before an I in Italian is pronounced like CH. If you have two C's, it means you have to stress on the ch sound, okay? So the Italian pronunciation would be Tucci, Tucci. He's not Italian now, I mean, he's of Italian descent, I imagine. Stanley Tucci, Stanley Tucci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.